Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we're going to start taking apart the front suspension. We're still waiting on bars for the rear suspension to be able to finish the upper control arm mounts. I did get the axle upgrades done that I wanted, and we have a little bit better tire clearance, so that's looking good. I figure while I'm waiting on the bars, might as well keep making progress, keep pushing forward. So we're going to start doing the front suspension while we're waiting on parts. Anyway, let's see what we can get done. All right, made some decent progress this week. Got all the front suspension removed. Got a pile of it sitting right over here. Both sides. So looking good. Still making progress. I did realize that I am coming up on needing a bunch of parts to be ordered. So I'm going to spend some time trying to figure out what else I need so that I don't run into a spot where I can't keep making progress because I'm waiting on parts. Anyway, it was still good progress. No front suspension under the car anymore. Looking good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.